Let's talk about a voting system's fairness by talking about the monotonicity criterion. So first of all, what is this? When we talk about the monotonicity criterion, it basically says if voters change their votes to increase their preference for a candidate, it should not harm that candidate's chance of winning. Meaning if we have a vote and it's done and candidate A wins, and then something happens and we change votes, candidate A should still win. If they don't, we have violated the monotonicity criterion. Okay, so let's do a quick example. Let's consider this election was finding the winner using the plurality with elimination method. So that means our first step is to figure out who do we eliminate. So we find the first round first place votes. So if we count like candidate A receives 25 first place votes, B has 19 plus 32, which is 51, and then C just has 22 first place votes. Therefore, C would be eliminated in the first round. Then if we eliminate candidate C and the votes go up, you'll notice that those 22 votes are now going to be reallocated to candidate A. So candidate A has 25 plus 22, which is 47. B still has 51, and therefore candidate B wins. Woo! But a mistake was done, and a second election was required. When that second election was done, few voters changed their order of ranking. So how does this change the process using the plurality with elimination method? So we're going to use the same method. Does it change the outcome of the election? Remember, the first one, candidate B won. And if it does change the election, then we could talk about the monotonicity criterion. So in the first place votes, we can see we have a new column. So candidate A now has 29 plus 12, which is 41. Candidate B has 16 plus 12, which is 28. And candidate C now has 29. Based off of that, candidate B would be eliminated in the first round. So in the first election, candidate B wins. But in the second election, candidate B is eliminated in the first round. So because the changing of votes impacted the outcome, right? Because it impacted and harmed candidate B, this fails the monotonicity criterion. And that is basically how that works.